It's 2:08. This segment is brought to you by Tui Garden Products. With the warmer months on the way, your garden may need some attention.
Lucas de Jong has been busy in the garden this morning. Morena, Lucas.
Good morning. Busy, but with some expert help, because we have achieved a lot in an hour since you last saw us. We've got courgettes, cucumbers, snow peas, and I mean, look at this space, guys. We're using this height, which is really cool when you've got a small garden like this, developing that space up high and keeping that growing going. But Hannah, our TUI expert this morning, is over here. She's on lettuces, I'm on strawberries, and lettuces, so good. If you're going to start with something, right, start with a lettuce.
Definitely. I mean, they're definitely quick wins, great for all of the family. And yeah, I mean, look, they're already kind of at a point where we could nearly put them in our sandwiches. So,
and
great.
you never get through a whole one if you buy it from the supermarket. Coming and picking little bits and pieces and putting them in is just so good.
Oh, it's so nice and so fresh, right?
How are you going with the planting? Give us some tips for people at home.
Look, well, at the moment, I'm just dunking these seedlings in some seaweed plant tonic. So this is great for transplant shock. Sometimes the plant's a little sad when you replant them, so seaweed definitely helps with that. And it just gives them a really nice natural base to get in their planting. So we're just planting out some lettuces here, and we've put a little bit of veggie mix in here, just a nice base for these plants, obviously vegetable plants. And Mon's over here feeding ones I prepared earlier, just with some of liquid fertiliser, so we'll see some really quick results with that one. Liquid
gets absorbed very quickly, doesn't it? You've given me strawberry food.
I have.
How focused should we be on individual fertilisers for individual plants?
Look, I mean, definitely for plants like strawberries, those are really, they're longer feeders and they're fruiters and flowers. So you just got to really pick what you're planting and what you're growing. Strawberry food is perfect for strawberries just because they are fruiting and flowering plants. When you're looking here, we've got really kind of leafy greens. So these plants require a different profile of nutrients. So yeah, definitely look at what you're growing and definitely pick what you're growing in terms of fertiliser because it's made for those plants.
Yeah, and I love that you guys have picked a bunch of different strawberry varieties here. So they're going to be ready at different times.
Yep.
I always like to whip off the runners. We've got a few little runners popping up already because those are going to be plants next year too,
yes,
right?
Yes, exactly. Definitely. If you can pick those runners and replant them, it's a great way to have the crop for next year.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, I also wanted to reference, guys, I mean, we see these plastic containers. We're making a bit of plastic containers this morning because we've bought these plants fresh, but these will survive for years. We will be able to use these over and over and over again when you're doing seeds. So because we're coming back and forth from this garden over the next month, I wanted to grab some seeds out. Look at her beautifully laid out lettuce rows here. They're just looking absolutely gorgeous. I love to embrace a bit of chaos when we do a bit of gardening as well, though. And so, let's just see what happens, because that's the cool thing about nature and gardening, isn't it? Is we'll just see what happens. If you want bang for your buck, a bag of seeds, amazing. I mean, what's a little punnet of that of lettuces? Is it going to be about sort of $4 or $5? Is that about right?
Yeah, roughly. Yep.
I'd probably just put 10,000 seeds all over her beautiful garden right there. So.
Oh, well, we'll see that in a few months, won't we?
She had a hard time when I said I was going to do this morning, but let's see what happens. Results are going to speak for themselves.
Oh, he's looking so beautiful and tidy, and he's just gone and put seeds everywhere. What kind of seeds are they?
Lettuce, pick and come again. I mean, that's just going to add to that bed. We're going to have layers, flavours. Beautiful.
Oh, goodness me.
It's so orderly.
Lucas de Jong, like a rapper, we're going to have layers.
I want you to go back and actually weed that garden.
Hey, thanks, Lucas. We'll move to tomorrow.